Our human body consists of all machines inside our body. In that kidneys are the RO plant inside our body, which removes unwanted salts from our blood and sends them out as urine. Failure of kidneys doing this process needs the involvement of external RO plant machine, where the pure water without salts is used to bathe the blood externally and remove the salts in it so the patient suffering from kidney ailment is saved, thanks to reverse osmosis technology. Now let's watch a video on how a RO plant is installed in a dialysis hospital. Hello everyone, now we are going to see the dialysis RO plant at this hospital, located in Royapettah, Chennai, where we have installed it. This hospital's name is New Life Med Hospital, so let's go to see the unit. This place is a little bit shabby because just know it's got completed and they have to clean it. And this is the RO plant. You have two motor pumps, which is a feed pump for the RO plant, and you have a switch, whichever motor you want to choose, maybe pump 1 or pump 2. So from this point, this is the main inlet from the overhead tank. First, the water goes to the sand filter, which is a multi-graded filter, and the second one is the activated carbon filter, and the third one is a water softener, and these are the things which are there, and the water passes through one by one of these filters. And from here, the water goes to the RO plant. This is the first stage of RO, which you see here. Here, this is an anti-scale dosing system to avoid scaling in the membrane. This RO plant has 4 membranes at the backside. And this is the high-pressure pump. The water comes into this pump and then it goes to the 4 membranes, which are there. And it gets pressurized and the salt separation process happens. The first stage of RO is getting completed, which is a 1,000-liter RO plant. And RO water gets stored in this 1,000-liter storage tank. And this is the first stage of RO because the dialysis unit needs the water TDS to be much low. So after the first stage of RO, the water is again pumped into this motor here, and this is the second stage of RO. And the water goes into these 2 membranes, and each membrane will deliver about 250 liters. So it's 500 liters per hour RO plant, and after the membrane process, the RO water is stored in this second tank, which is a 1,000-liter storage tank. So after these 2 stages of the RO process, you can see down here these 2 motors. From here, it has been pumped to the ground floor, where the dialysis is happening actually. This is the PEX pipeline. The RO water is going this PEX pipeline way. This is the PEX pipe. We use it to bring the RO water. We covered this pipeline with the black color hose to avoid sunlight and all, so that algae formation is avoided. And from here, the RO water is again going to this way. This line we installed a UV system, which removes any biological contamination in the water. After UV, the RO water goes to this micron filter. It also removes very small microns in the water. Then it goes to the dialysis unit room via this PEX pipeline. I am sorry this place is a little bit messy, because this terrace is not cleaned and maintained properly. The pipeline goes down there, so let's go down and see the dialysis unit. This is the dialysis unit's room. Now you can see the PEX pipeline is pulled down here. From here, the PEX pipeline goes to each bed one by one. Each bed we have given one outlet line for the patient to dialysis here. We additionally added one tap here, so doctors or nurses can use RO water for washing purposes. The hospital is new and work in progress and will be operational in a few days. Thanks for watching the video.